here at 11. The accused dating app predator in court earlier this morning. Gabriela Garza is joining us live outside of the Milwaukee County Courthouse. And Gabby, there was a surprising request made in court today.
That's right, Deanna. Timothy Olson was in person in the courtroom for the first time this year, and he had a surprising request for the judge. Now, he didn't have an attorney seated next to him. Take a listen.
We're advised by the Public Defender's Office that at this point, Mr. Olson has refused to have an attorney appointed to represent him. Mr. Olson had also filed a letter requesting that he proceed pro se. So is that your request at this time, Mr. Olson?
Yeah, I was requesting if you could appoint an attorney as like co-counsel to help me.
Now, Olson is accused of multiple crimes against women, including the abduction of a 79-year-old woman at gunpoint in Franklin. Since he was arrested and charged, Timothy Olson has asked the judge to remove his public defender twice. Olson told Judge Childs he feels he's left with no other option than to represent himself because he feels the attorneys appointed to his case would not represent him justly.
I really want to give you a chance to think about it because I know it's a major decision in regards to this. I'm willing to appoint an attorney. If I appoint an attorney, the goal ultimately is that we're just not going to continue to fire and remove.
Now, come a Monday, there will be a status of counsel hearing held. At that time, Olson will need to make the decision if he will move forward with the appointed attorney given to him by Judge Childs or if he will move forward representing himself.
And Gabby, we also do know that Olson is a person of interest in other cases as well.
That's right, Deanna, in the deaths of two women, one in Racine and the other in South Milwaukee.
Okay, so we are following this case very closely. Gabriela Garza reporting live for us in Milwaukee. And